What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. This is a medium content book niche. So this is a crossword puzzle for couple, and I'll show you how you can get all of this for free. You can do all of this for free, and I have a gift for you at the end of this video. So watch for that out. Yeah, what do you say? Let me show you how much people are making here. As you can see, I'm using KDP and $15,000. One book is making $15,000 every single month, passive income. So this is really good. So other star 4,000. Let me just close this one and show you the books here. So the covers are not really good, by the way. You can have a better cover. You can have a better cover made for like $5 or something. So as you can see, the covers are not very attractive here. You can just make a great cover and you can stand out from all of these people. Here, let me show you where you can get the covers for cheap. Let me go here and topcoverdesigner.com and just paste. Okay, let me just cancel this and yep. Let me just go to Top Cover Designer. So as it loads here, as you can see on Top Cover Designer, you can have your book cover made professionally for as low as $5. Yeah, that is that simple. So for the interiors, you can go to kdpdownload.com and download any of these books for free. Any of these interiors, you can have any of these interiors for free. As you can see, it says here for free. You can have any puzzle here. You can have any KDP interior for free. So let me go to the keyword tool dominator from the Amazon keyword tool. So this gives me title and subtitle for my book cover. So as you can see, just press search, crossword puzzle for couple. As you can see, it only has two results. So let me just broaden it with adults. As you can see, it has 67 keywords found. You can use any of this on the stars, the first 10 on the 7th keyword space as you publish on your Amazon KDP. So this is very good. So for the gift, this is the ultimate seller's guide. Go to kdptips.com. So I wrote this book and you can download it for free. So the crossword puzzle for couple, this is the niche for today, and have fun with this one and make money. All right.